On December 27, 2024, astronomers detected an object hurtling through space, a new near-Earth asteroid designated 2024 YR4. It was first spotted by the Mount Lemmon Survey in Arizona, one of many observatories tasked with identifying potentially hazardous asteroids. At first glance, it was just another celestial body in the vast expanse of space. However, as data poured in, concerns began to rise. Initial calculations suggested a small but significant chance that this asteroid could impact Earth on December 22, 2032. The idea of a possible impact set the scientific community into motion, launching an urgent campaign to gather more data and refine predictions. And before we go any further, if you think asteroid science is as mind-blowing as I do, go ahead and tap that like button. It's way easier than tracking space rocks, and it helps this video reach more curious minds. For centuries, humanity has looked to the skies with wonder, curiosity, and sometimes fear. The possibility of an asteroid striking Earth is not just the premise of science fiction, but a legitimate threat that planetary defense programs monitor closely. The impact that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago serves as a stark reminder that cosmic collisions have shaped Earth's history. But could we be facing another such event in the near future? What do we actually know about Asteroid 2024 YR4, and should we be concerned? As of early 2025, 2024 YR4 measures between 40 and 100 meters in diameter, roughly the size of a football field. While far from the extinction level threats posed by larger asteroids, its size is still substantial enough to cause regional devastation if it were to strike. An impact of this magnitude could flatten a city, create massive shock waves, and cause significant environmental disruption. The energy released could be hundreds of times stronger than the Hiroshima bomb, similar to the Tunguska event of 1908, where an explosion leveled over 800 square miles of Siberian forest. When an asteroid is first discovered, astronomers rely on limited observational data, often just a handful of images taken over a short period of time. These early calculations can produce large uncertainties in the predicted orbit. In the case of 2024 YR4, initial analysis suggested a 1.2% chance of impact on December 22, 2032. While this probability may seem small, it is actually much higher than usual for newly discovered near-Earth objects. Normally, impact risks start as minuscule fractions of a percent and decrease as more data is gathered. However, a 1.2% probability was enough to place it on both NASA's and ESA's risk lists, drawing widespread attention from the global scientific community. In the weeks following its discovery, telescopes around the world were directed toward 2024 YR4, collecting more images and refining its trajectory. The European Space Agency's Planetary Defense Office and NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory led the charge, analyzing gravitational influences, orbital deviations, and past observational records to improve their calculations. By February 2025, new data significantly reduced the likelihood of an Earth impact, lowering it to just 0.004%. While this was reassuring, another surprising detail emerged. there was now a 1.7% chance that the asteroid could impact the Moon on the same date. The Moon, often seen as Earth's quiet celestial neighbor, has served as a shield for our planet over the course of history. Countless craters on its surface stand as a testament to the many impacts it has endured. If 2024 YR4 were to collide with the Moon, it would not pose a direct threat to Earth, but it could still have intriguing consequences. A significant impact could create a new visible crater, eject debris into space, and provide an unprecedented opportunity for scientists to study the mechanics of asteroid impacts in real time. If the trajectory continues to show a potential lunar impact, space agencies may prepare observational missions to record the event, much like the Deep Impact mission of 2005, which intentionally crashed a spacecraft into a comet for study. Despite the dwindling probability of an Earth impact, 2024 YR4 remains a reminder of why planetary defense efforts are critical. The Planetary Defense Coordination Office, under NASA, actively monitors thousands of near-Earth objects, constantly refining impact probabilities and studying potential mitigation strategies. In the rare event that a dangerous asteroid is confirmed to be on a collision course with Earth, there are a few possible response strategies. One method currently being tested is kinetic impact deflection, where a spacecraft is sent to collide with an asteroid to alter its trajectory. This technique was successfully demonstrated in NASA's DART, or Double Asteroid Redirection Test, mission in 2022, when a spacecraft was intentionally crashed into Dimorphos, a small moon of the asteroid Didymos. The impact successfully changed the Moon's orbit, proving that kinetic impactors could be a viable planetary defense strategy. Other theoretical mitigation methods include gravity tractors, where a spacecraft hovers near an asteroid and slowly alters its trajectory using gravitational pull and nuclear deflection, where a nuclear explosion is used to push an asteroid off course. While dramatic, these options remain hypothetical. They would require years of planning and precise execution. At present, Asteroid 2024 YR4 does not pose a significant threat to Earth, and it has been removed from the high-risk category of near-Earth objects. However, as new observations refine its orbit over the coming years, astronomers will continue to monitor it, ensuring that any potential trajectory changes are detected early. This event underscores the importance of global collaboration in planetary defense. Space agencies across the world, NASA, ESA, the Chinese National Space Administration, and Russia's Roscosmos all play a role in tracking potentially hazardous asteroids. The Large Synoptic Survey telescope, currently under development, is expected to revolutionize asteroid detection, scanning the sky nightly and identifying thousands of new objects each year. The goal is to spot threats decades in advance, giving humanity enough time to prepare and, if necessary, respond. As we advance our understanding of space and refine our ability to track celestial objects, the reality is that Earth will always be vulnerable to asteroid impacts. While we may not face the catastrophic threat of a planet-killer asteroid anytime soon, smaller regional threats like 2024 YR4 remind us that cosmic vigilance is essential. Each new asteroid discovery is not just a curiosity, it is a data point in the greater effort to protect our planet from cosmic threats. The mystery of the universe remains vast and unpredictable, but science, observation, and preparation are our best tools. In the coming years, as our technology improves, our ability to detect, track, and respond to these threats will only grow stronger. 2024. YR4 may not be the asteroid that changes history, but the knowledge gained from studying it ensures that when the real threat comes, we will be ready. The sky above us holds wonders and dangers alike. The more we explore, the better we understand our place in the cosmos, and the better prepared we become for whatever the universe may send our way. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of future space mysteries, cosmic discoveries, and the occasional reality-bending question, hit that subscribe button. Think of it like launching yourself into a never-ending adventure through the universe.